Your 2010-2017 Porsche Cayenne key fob uses a CR2032 battery. A dead or weak battery can cause issues with remote locking and unlocking. Replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. Begin by gathering the needed tools and battery. A CR2032 battery can cost from $2 to $5. Make sure your car is off and the keys are removed to avoid accidentally locking it. Be sure to protect yourself from static electricity before touching any internal components. First, gently pry open the key fob using a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the seam of the key fob on the back or side, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Next, pop out the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old battery. Snap the key fob back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the key fob's functions near your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working correctly. If it doesn't work, ensure the battery is correctly installed and consider the possibility of needing to reprogram the transponder chip at a dealership.